In this guide, you'll learn how to use the sound mode of the free online screen recorder to capture royalty-free or owned audio. We'll cover the full workflow, including recording, previewing, downloading, and verifying the saved file. Before you begin, make sure you only record audio that you own, created yourself, or have permission to record. Without any further ado, let's start recording. Now, open the online music recorder. To capture the royalty-free music playback from your browser, select Sound as the recording source. If you only need the audio being played on your device, you can turn off the microphone to avoid capturing background noise. Click the Start Recording button and select the browser tab that contains the audio source. Make sure the Also Share tab audio is toggled to capture the sound clearly. Then, click Share to capture the selected royalty-free music. Start the recording and then play the audio sample. Allow the audio to play for several seconds so the recorder can capture the desired portion. Once you've captured the section you need, stop the audio playback and then stop the recording. Before downloading, listen to the recorded audio. This allows you to confirm that the sound was captured correctly and that the recording contains the content you expected. Download the recorded royalty-free music to your device. If the preview sounds correct, wait for the download to complete and access it in the file location. Open the downloaded audio file and play it back. This final check confirms that the recording was saved successfully and can be used as intended. That's how to record permitted audio using the online music recorder. Try it for your own projects and remember to record only royalty-free, owned or authorized audio sources. Thanks for watching.